Have you ever stopped to consider the tiny world that exists just beneath our noses? It's a universe teeming with life, a hidden realm of microscopic wonders that's constantly bustling right under our very eyes. This is the world we'll explore today, life under the microscope. Our journey begins with a simple question. What exactly is a microscope? In its most basic form, a microscope is a tool that allows us to see things that are too small to be viewed with the naked eye. It uses lenses to magnify tiny objects, revealing details we could never imagine. From the early rudimentary microscopes of the 17th century to the sophisticated instruments of today, this technology has revolutionized our understanding of the world. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of microbes. These are the tiny organisms that are too small to be seen without a microscope. This includes bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists. They're everywhere in the air, in the water, in the soil, and even inside our bodies. While some microbes can cause diseases, many are incredibly beneficial. They help us digest food, produce vitamins, and even break down waste. Bacteria, for example, are single-celled organisms that come in various shapes and sizes. Some are spherical, others rod-shaped, and some are spiral. They reproduce rapidly and can adapt to different environments. Viruses, on the other hand, are even smaller and simpler. They aren't even considered living organisms by some scientists, as they need a host cell to replicate. They can cause a wide range of illnesses, from the common cold to more serious diseases. Fungi, like molds and yeasts, are another important group of microbes. They play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. Protists, which include amoebas and paramecium, are more complex single-celled organisms that display a wide variety of behaviors and forms. The microscopic world isn't just about individual organisms. It's also about the complex interactions between them. Microbes live in communities, forming biofilms, which are layers of microorganisms that adhere to surfaces. These communities can be incredibly diverse and play a vital role in ecosystems. Understanding the microscopic world has profound implications. It helps us develop new medicines, understand how diseases spread, and even create new technologies. It's a field of constant discovery, with new species and interactions being revealed all the time. So the next time you look around, remember that a whole other universe is right there, waiting to be explored. Life under the microscope is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. It's a world of wonder, and it's all around us.